This is Pete Moore at Integrity Square. Our firm is the advisor to the health, active lifestyle, and outdoor sector. About 2 years ago, I Googled the word wellness, and what I found did not inspire me. So we came up with the term HALO, health, active lifestyle, outdoors, and we are creating the HALO effect along with you, your employees, your members, and everyone involved in your business. Now, what we wanted to do is wanted to make sure that when you go into business and you become an entrepreneur and you used to be an athlete, you have to realize you're not going to win every day. I would love to win every day, but I do not. So we came up with these calendars. They're called the HALO Advisor calendars. We tell you everything you need to know about the $4.2 trillion HALO sector you are involved in. It tells you why we got rid of the word wellness. Also has a pledge. The HALO pledge is that you're going to do good things for good people, and you're going to be honest and operate with integrity, as we do, and it's in our name. And what we've done here is we've set up win-loss calendars. Every day, it's completely subjective. You had a good night's sleep, you got a workout in, you closed a deal, maybe that's a win. You got to your kid's Little League game, that's a win. Maybe you didn't get a good night's sleep, maybe that deal didn't happen. Okay, that's a loss. But at the end of every month, you got to realize that you're winning and that you're making progress, and that if you're a professional team or a professional athlete, I guarantee you're going to have more wins than losses. So do what you need to do. Understand that building value and building a company takes time. You get rewarded for the work that you do. Don't take life too seriously. So we've got some quotes on here for you. And give me a call or send me an email at the end of every month and let me know that you're 18 and 12 or you're 25 and 5. Or if you're 30 and 0, hit me on the cell phone. Good luck to great things. Go HALO.